We're gonna do high catch. Okay, guys, we're gonna do high catch.
Okay, and we're gonna be doing a catch with the football whistler.
High catch, high catch, high catch.
We
have to throw high.
It's similar to the one Too Perfect used to for, like in the ranch edition. It's a really old one, yeah. And this is a new version of this, so yeah, we're gonna use that. And first up is Nathan has to catch Joshua's catch. So go over here, Joshua, and throw it high. But make sure don't go over there. Okay, ready? Set, go high. Oh, my turn. I'll throw it. You're catching. Sorry. Next up is my turn. Look over here. Wow, you missed a catch.
Now it's Nathan's turn to throw it.
Okay, I'll catch it.
And then Jacob catches it, and then...
Oh, my turn. Catch it, Nathan. Oh, no, I didn't catch it. I almost made it. Oh, my God.
You're not supposed to do that. It's not the rules, man. Wow.
Oh, let's do it.
That's Joshua Kim throwing right there. Joshua Kim throwing right there.
He's catcher now. Who's throwing first?
Nathan, no, Nathan. Nathan never got to throw yet. I mean, throw it to Joshua.
Joshua did. Nathan did it once when I was catching. Josh, get ready. Go!
Woo!
Yeah! Woo! Oh my God, he's so hard. This is
The shot.
things about to change.
Wait, 2 chains?
Everything about to change. But any count, sorry, folks.
I like this lamp, yo. That's why I purchased this lamp. I'm in the kitchen. Not anymore.
Oh man, he didn't. My turn. He didn't catch it again. No, Jacob. Jacob catch her.
Oh, Jacob, come here.
Okay. Okay, let's go. I'm catcher. Let's do this. Oh, I put.
Oh, guys, sorry. That was a blooper by him.
This is.
Inappropriate, man. Inappropriate, man.
This is a high shot.
Oh! Sorry, guys.
What do I do?
Jacob.
What's the special thing?
3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, you're not the blooper. Somehow. So, he let him run back. And this is Nathan's turn.
Wait. Okay.
Oh! He got it! What the master is? Ah! Matthew, give me an air pound it. Matthew. Go low. So, now it is Joshua Kim's turn to catch. Joshua's catching. Let's do this. It's ski time. Well, that was kind of a low one. That was the worst high shot I ever saw in my life, Matthew.
High shots, not low shots that people can't even catch.
Okay, so now Nathan's catcher. So now the throwers, the people that are throwing is Matthew and Matthew and Joshua Kim. So as Joshua was doing that, he failed his walking dangers. Okay, let's get started. And he just fell down. Matthew Kim gets up.
Oh my God. No, it's mine. I don't.
noggin.
That was low.
Okay, so now is Matthew's turn to catch.
Matthew's turn to catch. The pea bush.
Here, Jacob. Someone's here, Jacob. No, but she said later. I can't. Okay.
Do it. Everything's all done.
So. Okay. Matthew, end video. 6 minutes. Okay. So hey guys, thanks for watching and comment below and just
Last shot.
and this is the last shot.
This time is not a high shot.
It's a low shot.
Medium shot.
Okay, so hey guys, thanks for watching. Comment below what we should do next and subscribe. Blooper. So hey guys, let's just say hey guys, thanks for watching. Comment below and just
Watch me too. Watch me, okay?
that.
This is the last one, okay, guys?
Do this at home, but don't do this at home, but don't do it. Whatever. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Comment below and subscribe what we should do next. So Joshua, Nathan. So, give me Nathan, give me pound it and knock it.
Found it, knock it.
See ya.